Hello and welcome to the 1000 Curiosities channel. My name is Christian and today's video is about the sparrow. Sparrows are part of the family Passeridae and are the most well-known birds that live around human dwellings. Scientists say that these extraordinary creatures defy evolution. Sparrows can be found everywhere in the world, being extremely adaptable. They like to live close to human dwellings, building their nests on buildings, roofs and houses. In the United Kingdom, the populations of sparrows dwindled in the recent years. London lost 3/4 of its sparrows between the years 1994 and 2000. The cause of this sudden decline remains a mystery, although many theories have been put forward, from the increased use of mobile phones to the pollution caused by cars. There are many species of sparrows in the world, such as the Eurasian tree sparrow, the house sparrow, Spanish sparrow, or the rock sparrow. Other types of sparrows are the white sparrow, blue sparrow, the Java sparrow, or lark sparrow. Sparrows are extremely good flyers. Their wings open up to 20 centimeters and they can reach speeds of up to 40 kilometers an hour. They can change direction mid-flight all of a sudden and have such a precision that they can even change the angle of their feathers by 1 degree. Their feathers are some of the most weight-resistant materials known to man. They have airbags in their bones, which are very light and perfectly adapted for flight. Humans could never approach bird efficiency in flight, even using airplanes or other types of flying machines. The heart of a sparrow is so efficient it can beat 760 times per minute. Its digestive system is very short, with very concentrated gastric acid. Most sparrows lay eggs at least 2 or 3 times a year. The sparrow lays between 3 and 5 eggs at a time, and the incubation lasts between 12 and 15 days. Both male and female help to incubate the eggs. After 2 weeks, the chicks can already leave the nest. However, many of them fall prey to domestic cats due to their lack of experience in flying. Sparrows have a size between 10 and 20 centimeters depending on the species. Males have reddish backs and a black bib, while females have brown backs with stripes. Although sparrows are mostly vegetarian, they also need insects in their food. Their meals are based on seeds, cereals, breadcrumbs and insects. The natural enemies of the sparrows are cats, snakes and the birds of prey. They weigh anywhere between 13 and 48 grams. Sparrows live in flocks, being very loud birds. They were brought to America in 1852 and 10 years later they reached Australia. During the winter, sparrows do not migrate, adapting very well to the cold climate, being found even in Siberia. There are over 500 million house sparrows, being the most popular type of sparrow on Earth. The sparrow is a eurytherm species, that means it supports wide variations of temperature. Sparrows do not walk, they skip with both feet at the same time. As they are many and very greedy, sparrows also cause damage to crops, fruit, corn and hemp seed. At the same time, sparrows eat caterpillars, butterflies and all the pest insects that cause damage to trees and crops. In 1958, Mao Zedong decreed that all sparrows should be killed because they ate too much grain. He decided that China could do without pests like sparrows. Everyone stopped working in order to participate in this campaign. Their plan was to not let them land anywhere, keeping them in the air until they dropped dead because of exhaustion. At 5 a.m., people came out with drums, tambourines, pots and pans, using anything at their disposal to make noise. From March until early November, millions of sparrows were killed in China. Sparrows ate pests such as locusts, and after the campaign, the locusts lost their major predator. Locust populations boomed and they ate everything in their path. During the next 3 years, up to 45 million people died in a famine caused by economic mismanagement, environmental disaster, and state terror. The sparrow is a symbol of loyalty in Japan due to its friendly nature and its ability to live in groups. Sparrows have had a significant contribution to science, with over 5,000 research papers having been published studying these little birds. Sparrows can live between 4 and 5 years in the wild, however some sparrow species can live for as long as 12 years. The oldest sparrow recorded is known to have lived for 15 years and 9 months. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to leave a like, share it with a friend, and maybe subscribe to the channel. My name is Christian, and until the next video, all the best!